Good evening from Dubai to Philippines. Share lang ko based sa akong experience. So for how many months do I know my husband was looking for a job. So we realized that living abroad is really not easy gyud ay. Dili gyud lalim ang pag-abroad. Ngano, una layo sa pamilya, lahi ang environment, ug daghan kag kinahanglan nga i-adjust. Mao gyud nga importante kaayo nga naa kay support system dinhi, like family, friends, or your church family. Importante pud na makasimba ka kay it will really helps you. Kay kung wala, dali ra ka ma-depress or ma-anxiety. So based ra pud ni sa akong experience, no one back home will fully understand what you're going through unless they have been in your shoes or maka-experience po sila nga mag-abroad. So ay harap po na nila masabtan, dili gudi ay dali mag-abroad ba? So while you still can, try to help yourself pod. Well, this is an advice raman pod ug based sa akong experience. So baka di ay pod makatabang pod. Try to look for a church, a place where you can grow spiritually. Kay nga naman, kay diha gyud magsugod ang tanan sa imong spiritual life. So kung maabot nitong time nga when your relationship with God is strong na, everything else will follow. Your mindset, your peace, and even how you face life abroad. So sa really taning nagkaon ko, wala lang, gusto lang ako i-share. Nag-celebrate lang, mga small wins lang yun.